Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's IELTS General Volume 1, Test 1, the Writing Task 1, the formal letter. You recently bought a piece of sports equipment from an online store. When you first used it, you found a problem with it. Write a letter to the manager of the online store. In your letter, describe the problem with the sports equipment, explain what happened because of the problem, and explain what you would like the company to do. And begin your letter as follows. Dear Sir or Madam. Now this 150 word letter can be written as follows. Dear Sir or Madam. Now this is the opening salutation. In para 1, write who you are and then mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, describe the problems with the sports equipment. And para 3, explain what happened because of the problem. In para 4, explain what you would like the company to do. And in para 5, summarize the letter and then end with yours faithfully, Vijay Sinha. Now, this is the closing salutation where you will have to write your full name. Now, the following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Sir or Madam, I wish to lodge a complaint related to a piece of sports equipment that I purchased from you last week. Kindly refer to the sale bill numbered 237 of last Monday. Your installation executive had delivered the cricket ball bowling machine, and during its demonstration, it seemed to work just fine. The next day, upon turning it on, some sparks and smoke appeared from its electric cable. Immediately thereafter, I turned it off and called the customer care number to inform about this occurrence. I was informed that a technician would be visiting my home to look into this matter during the day. Unfortunately, it has been a week and no one has turned up to fix the machine. I would like to emphasize that a technician visit my home in a day or two. I hope that there will be no delay this time from your side in this matter. Yours faithfully, Vijay Sinha.